Page 9, treasure chest. This is similar to the last lesson, but now we're going to use the right hand and we're going to go up the keyboard. Now at the top of the page, they give you that little workout for the hand. I don't always cover these. I assume you can read it and do fine. I don't know that at this point you need a workout. They say close the cover, which would be this thing here. And they say on the keyboard cover, you just have your hand in the position it goes. Well, you can do that anywhere. Just the point is, relax the hand and just let it fall naturally. You don't need to control or curl or nothing. You just relax, and that's where you are. So when I'm on here, these fingers might reach out a little bit because they're black keys, but generally we're here, and it's just a nice, comfortable position wherever it is. And the fingers are there, and I'm just pushing down whichever finger. I'll talk more about pushing down later because I don't really push down, but that's how we're going to do it now. So let's take a look at treasure chest. We're using the same 2-note groups on black keys, but now we're playing the bottom note first, and we're going up the keyboard. So we're going to use the same group here, 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 and you can actually go here then because it's easier up, so you don't have to reach as far. And with bottom note, and then 2, rest, rest. Same thing we did before, just make sure you keep a steady beat all the way through. You can leave your left hand on your lap. You're not using the left hand here. Now they give you that little Premier Performer thing there. The last lesson too, I skipped it. Shame on me. You can always go back. Where they want you to play the third one with both notes together. So it would be like that. Like that. That's all it is. Rest. If you want to, that's fine. Do that. I don't care. But I'd like to do this duet at the bottom, and you play that at the same time. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.